Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the heart of beauty science and product performance. If you've ever struggled with thinning hair and wondered if there's a way to give it a thicker, fuller look, then keep watching. Today, we're looking at the Nioxin Duo Kit, a popular system that promises to tackle light thinning for natural hair. This product is often praised for its approach to scalp health and its potential to improve hair texture. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Nioxin Duo Kit includes two essential products: the Scalp and Hair Thickening Shampoo and the Conditioner, both in 10.1 fel-aughts bottles. These are designed specifically for individuals with light thinning hair, providing a two-step regimen that's easy to incorporate into your routine. The active ingredient here is salicylic acid, which is known for its ability to exfoliate the scalp and remove buildup, potentially encouraging healthier hair growth. It's worth noting that this system is geared toward natural hair, so if you have color-treated hair, you might want to look into other Nioxin systems designed for your specific needs. When I first introduced this kit into my routine, I was particularly intrigued by the idea of improving scalp health, as that's a crucial factor in supporting hair growth. The shampoo has a creamy texture and lathers up well, leaving my scalp feeling fresh and invigorated. There's a light, slightly medicinal scent, but nothing overwhelming. I noticed it wasn't too harsh on my scalp, despite the salicylic acid. The conditioner, on the other hand, felt like a soothing treat for my hair. It's not too heavy, but it still managed my hair feeling smooth and manageable without weighing it down. As for real-world testing, I used this system daily for about 2 weeks. I did notice that my scalp felt cleaner, less congested, and healthier overall. The shampoo's exfoliating action worked without causing irritation, which is a big plus for anyone sensitive to harsher ingredients. My hair, while not dramatically thicker overnight, did seem to have more volume, especially at the roots. This product isn't about instant results. It's more of a slow-burn solution that promises long-term benefits with consistent use. In terms of performance, I would say the product does exactly what it promises. It gently cleanses and nourishes, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. I didn't experience any dramatic thickening right away, but my hair did feel more textured and fuller after consistent use. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this system is simple to use and effective in terms of scalp health. It's also relatively gentle despite the exfoliating properties of salicylic acid, which is a big win for people with sensitive scalps. Another plus is that it doesn't weigh down the hair, leaving it lightweight and with more body after every wash. On the flip side, some users might find the scent of the shampoo a little medicinal, and the results can take a little longer to show compared to more instant thickening products. If you're looking for something that works immediately, this may not be the product for you. When it comes to value for money, the Nioxin Duo Kit falls in the mid-range price bracket for hair care products. Given its targeted performance for light thinning hair and the inclusion of active ingredients like salicylic acid, it seems like a fair price. If you're after a straightforward solution to scalp health and volume, this kit could definitely be worth the investment. There are a few alternatives in the market, but if you're looking for something that offers similar scalp exfoliating benefits, products like the Kerastase Densifique range or the Redken Ceraphil system come to mind. These products tend to be a bit more expensive, but if you're someone who values salon-grade products, they could be worth exploring. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The bottles are sturdy with a flip cap for easy dispensing, making it convenient for use in the shower. I didn't notice any leaking or issues with the packaging over the course of use, which is always a plus. As for longevity, the product doesn't have any shelf life concerns, as long as you store it in a cool, dry place. The performance over time has been steady. There's no noticeable decline in quality or effectiveness, which speaks to its long-term usability. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had the chance to reach out to Nioxin's customer service personally, but based on my research and reviews from other customers, they have a reputation for handling inquiries promptly and professionally. In conclusion, the Nioxin Duo Kit is a solid option for those dealing with light thinning hair. While it doesn't promise instant results, it works consistently over time, providing a healthy, clean scalp environment that supports better hair volume and texture. It's best suited for people looking for a gentle yet effective way to address scalp health while subtly improving hair thickness. If you're ready to give it a try, I think you'll find it a worthwhile addition to your hair care routine. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.